Here is how you can turn off your iPhone or maybe to close pop-up. So all you have to do is to open up the settings app, and as you are on the main page, scroll down a little bit more and you need to find screen time section. And part of this we have the general controls and the data about the screen usage, but part of this menu there is also the section which tracks the screen distance, and it is the button below or the menu, and it's the screen distance which you can set up, and you might get the pop-up that you are too close. So it kind of like tracks your face, so you can click on continue if you haven't set that up before, but if you did, you can definitely disable it in this section. So you would go to the screen time, screen distance, and disable this toggle to make sure that you don't ever get the pop-up that your screen is too close. And that's the whole point about it. Like, a lot of people like it, some people do not, depends on your preference, but this is where you can find it. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials and videos like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.